Namaskaram. In this video, I will be discussing about the elements of a yantra. This whole universe is made of 5 elements: air, water, earth, fire, and sky. So these 5 elements, they interact with each other to create this whole universe. Every single thing on the universe is basically these 5 elements. It is produced by the interaction of these 5 elements, right? So the yantra, they also represent these 5 elements. In a yantra, you will see the shapes you will see are basically a dot, we call it bindu, or a triangle, or a star, or a square, or a circle. So all these elements of a yantra, they represent basically the 5 elements of which universe are made. So like the dot, bindu, the dot, it usually comes in the midpoint, in the center of the yantra. You should keep the dot as small as possible. The dot shows the potential of the creation. It shows like the whole universe is like the main point, the focal point from the whole universe is originating. So usually the seekers, those who meditate on the yantras, they focus on this dot. Then we have triangles. Triangles can be of 2 types: the triangles which are pointing upwards and the triangles which are pointing downwards. So the triangles which are pointing upwards, they represent male energy, they represent Shiva, they represent like a male organ, that is passive energy. And the triangles which point downwards, they represent female energy, they represent Shakti, they represent the active energy. Now we have the stars. Star is like a combination of the 2 triangles, like upward, downward. It is like a combination of male and female energy, combination of it's the interaction of Shiva and Shakti. Then we have squares. Squares, they usually come on the outer, they make usually the outer side of the yantra. Squares, they represent the earth element. Then we have circle. Circle, they represent air elements. They represent also the movement in the chakras, and especially it represents also solar plexus chakra. So these are the elements of a yantra. Thank you.